So these are the worst of the four of my caps for the Impala. I'm gonna clean them up. Not gonna come out good. They're pretty bad. They think they look better in camera than in person, but they're in pretty bad shape. So I'm gonna get some new ones, but until then, I'm gonna clean these up. Very similar to how we do the headlights. I'm gonna wet sand them with 2000, and after that, use the 2500, and then 3000, and then this plastics we'll put on here in the center part, and that'll give it some shine. So I'm gonna get started here, and then I'll show you guys the results. And you don't need much. This is about the size of the piece that I'm gonna use for the 2000. And then just sand it all down with this. So I'm gonna change my technique on this. The other three, after you've sanded down up to 3000 grit, this part turns like greenish, kind of green yellow. It looks weird. And then this part gets like really shiny. So what I decided to do is tape this off, paint it with this I got at Walmart. Here's the part number, paint code, whatever. And this is how they're coming out. So I just taped the center, and I'm using that paint for the ring. Alright, so I'm going to use this Milwaukee light here, and I'm going to tape my phone like this, and then give you some time-lapse footage of me doing that last cap. Alright, this looks a lot better on camera, but it has a lot of like blemishes or some dents. You could probably run it like this, but I'm gonna paint it anyways. So this is how it looks after you peel the tape.